What's up everyone? So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to change your hose on your expansion tank. Mine broke from this end over here. I heard it's a common problem for these cars. I have a 435i 2014, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how to fix it or how to replace it. So this is the part that I will be replacing. The part number is right there. It was about, let's see. It was $42 from BMW. And I also bought coolants because obviously some of it leaked, and that was $26.13. The tools required for this job is just a small flathead screwdriver and black gloves. Remember, the black gloves, very important. So what you're gonna want to do, just put your screwdriver there and then just pop the clip like that, and then just pull your hose out. And you're gonna do the same thing on this side. If you can see the clip right there, just pop it off and it should come out. And once you have the clip off there and on the other side, it's not necessary to remove the support for the intake. All you have to do is just slide it out like that, and you're good to go. To install the new part, you do have to lift up this thing and just slide it under. Should be easy. And then all you have to do is just do the same thing as you did when you removed it. Same process, just clip it in there and then just use the support brackets there and along the other hose. You should have at least 3 or 4, and then just connect it on the other side. After that, you'll have to fill up the reservoir depending on how much yours leaked or whatever. Just fill it up, make sure it's at the right level, and you should be good to go. And this is how it should look when it's all done. It's connected there, it's routed through the right place using the brackets. There's another one right there, and then over here at the end. And that's it. I'm just gonna fill up the reservoir and fill it as much as it needs. I'm gonna take it for a drive and then see if it needs more. If it does, then I'll just go ahead and top it off. And thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave in the comments any questions that you might have, any suggestions if I should make more videos about this car. And thank you guys for watching.